moving on, we are going to go into Elephant Project. The project was started in 1992. The project, Elephant Project, it was started in the year 1992. The main objective or the main goal was to provide elephant protection in their natural habitat. Meaning in the forest, in their natural homes, you protect the elephants. And to protect the natural habitat. And also to protect the forest in which the elephants are staying. And their migratory corridors meaning the route which they take to migrate meaning obviously elephants also move from one forest to another forest, from one location to another location. So that route from which it migrates or from which it moves around, you protect that route also. Today there are 26 protection zones for elephants in the country. So today there are 26 such protection zones all over India for protection of tiger. After implementation of this project, there has been increase in the number of elephants. Now because of elephant projects, okay, the elephants number have increased. Besides, this project also works for maintenance of domesticated elephants. मतलब those elephants which people own. You know ना कि elephants घना लोगों पास elephants होय, right? जे elephants ride करावे, elephants जेम घोड़ा पर ride करावता है, elephants ऊपर ride करावे, right? So those are domesticated elephants. So इन लोगों ने भी elephant project protects them. Rhino project. This project was created in protection of one-horned rhino of India. So this one-horned rhino which is found in India, the project was to save that rhino. In India, most of the rhinos are found in the Assam state. Okay, where it is found, the rhinos in Assam state. They also found in less number in Sundarban of West Bengal. So very few rhinos are found in West Bengal. Okay, Sundarban is the forest in West Bengal. According to the strategy of Rhino Vision 2020, an increase in the number of rhino is targeted to 3,000. So what did the Rhino project aim at? Ki by the year 2020, we want to target that the rhinos should be 3,000 in number. One-horned rhino. It is seen in the marshy regions of Brahmaputra and Sundarban. Marshy region એટલે like where the river is, okay, the soil over there is very chipchipa or it's very mati jeva, it's very soft. So that is called marshy region. It's found in Brahmaputra and Sundarban. It is hunted for preparing medicine from the horns. So mainly the rhino is hunted for preparing the medicine which you get from the horn. It is an herbivorous animal. It's an animal which eats grass. Okay, due to the attempts of its protection, its number has increased. Now its number has increased because of the Rhino project. Okay. Moving on, we are going to go to crocodile project. The species alligator. Alligator is what? Your crocodile and the family of crocodile, which is found in the fresh water, was in the verge of extinction in the decade of the 1970. So last 10 years thi, okay, there was a thing that the crocodiles are going to die out. They are going to completely vanish away. The government of India took timely steps on to start the project. So government of India took steps in order to save the alligators or crocodiles. Vulture project. Vulture is a type of birds which eat dead animals. Okay. Vulture is the cleanliness worker of the nature. कोई भी जानवर मरी गयो होय, कोई भी bird मरी गयो होय तो vulture ई bird ने खाई जाए. So it does the work of cleanliness. It eats the meat of the dead animals. So it eats the meat of the dead animals. There are about 9 subspecies of vultures in India. So there are total 9 types of vultures that are found in India. Due to unusual decrease in the number, this project was started in the year 2004. There was the number of vultures were reducing, and that is why the vulture project was started in the year 2004. Snow leopard project. Okay, this is snow leopard is found in the Himalayan mountains. The species which is found in the altitude of 3000 meters, matlab which is found at the height of 3000 meter in the Himalaya, lives in snow only. Obviously it's a snow leopard, so it stays in snow only. The project was started in the year 2000 with the purpose to increase the knowledge about snow leopard to local people, so that people would be aware about it and protect it. So snow leopard project was started in the year 2000 in order to save the snow leopard, and to make people aware about the snow leopard. Okay, so that people also work towards its protection. Besides these, other projects which are operational include Kashmiri Hungal project. So other than these, the other projects which are there in India are Kashmiri Hungal project, Red Panda project, Manipur Tamil project for special species of deers found in Manipur. So Manipur and Tamil project is for what? For special type of deer which is found in Manipur. Ganga Dolphin project and Ganga Brahmaputra river.